Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning for the all student in this classroom. For this time, we will discuss about the how to create, how to make the simple coding programming computer to the estimate the parameter in the probability modeling. There are some question comes to the Rado Institute. The question is, can we produce the coding programming computer without the formula of the logs likelihood function? Of course, the answer were yes, we can. We can produce the coding, the programming computer without the log likelihood function. Okay, our simple coding programming computer for the estimate the parameter based on the only density function. We are not use the log likelihood function again because we know the log likelihood function needs the long formula in the mathematics. Okay, but we must know the log likelihood comes from the density function. In the density function, we create the first likelihood. Likelihood, it means the multiple univariate density function until n random variable. And after we take the multiple univariate density function, we must take the logarithm natural from the multiple the univariate density function or the likelihood. So the log likelihood, it means the logarithm natural for the likelihood. Of course, if we take the logarithm natural for the likelihood, we must use the sum logarithm density function. And then for make sure our programming can convergent, we must adding the minus some logarithm natural density function. So that why for this time we only use the minus sums log density function to the estimate the parameter, especially in the probability modeling. We are not use the long formula for the log likelihood function. Okay, we will give the, for example, now we open the one research article. There is the one research article with the title, the power Lomax distribution with an application to bladder cancer. To bladder cancer data. Okay, in this research article, we have the density function like in the equation, equation 11 equation. In the 11 equation, this is power Lomax distribution. Based on this equation, we will use the simple coding, the computer programming to the estimate the parameter. We are not use again the log likelihood function like in the usually in the Rado Institute before. We have known in the Rado Institute when we are discuss about the coding programming, especially for the probability modeling, we are using log likelihood function. Okay, for the power Lomax distribution, we have the log likelihood function like in the 15 in equation 15. But we must remember this is the wrong log likelihood. We must adding alpha before ln lambda. So in our discussion for this morning, we are not use the equation 15 in the create the coding programming computer to the estimate the parameter. We only use the equation 11 to the estimate the parameter. So like this one, okay. This is one, okay. Based on the equation 11, okay, based on the equation 11, we try to produce the simple coding programming computer. Okay, let's open our R programming. Okay, we open our R programming. Share. Okay, this is our programming. Okay. For our discussion today, to create the simple coding programming computer, we are use the 120x data cancer data, this X. So we can check this is log likelihood the power Lomax distribution, but like I said before, we only use density function, but we must put this minus some log density function. Okay, this is density function only. So not like usually in the Rado Institute, we are use the log likelihood, but for this time we are only use minus some log the density function, like in the equation 11 in the recent article. So you can imagine that this is a very simple. We are not use the long formula again, like in the log likelihood equation. We just use the simple formula only for density function. Okay, we run our programming. The first one, we run our data, edit, run line or selection. So we run our log likelihood. Okay, edit, run. So we using Optim to the estimate the parameter. We use Optim. We give name the Polo, edit, run line or selection. Okay, we check our Polo. Polo is mean the power Lomax distribution. Polo. Okay, we are success run the programming without the log likelihood function. We only based on the density function. You can check here. This power 1. This is parameter 1. Parameter 2. Parameter 3. With the zero convergence. So it's mean we are success the estimate the parameter only using the density function. Okay, after we success the estimate the parameter, we try to give the alpha, beta, and lambda. And then we check by using the density plot and the cumulative plot. The density plot is mean you must comparison the density of power Lomax distribution using we must comparison histogram and then density function. Okay, for the cumulative plot, we must comparison the cumulative theoretical. We can find by using the formula I minus 0.5 divide n. I it means the number starting from 1 until length data. Okay. Okay, we run our program here. So we run our program. Okay, we can check. Okay, look this one. Okay. From this picture, from this graph, you can You can imagine that the red line is mean the density function, and then the gray one is the histogram. Okay, we can check. Most of the histogram can be captured by the red line or the density function. And then from the cumulative plot, the gray one is mean the cumulative theoretical, and the blue one is mean the cumulative from the power log distribution. Okay, from these two figures, we can conclude that we are success to the estimate the parameter, and the parameter can cause the modeling, can capture all histogram, and can capture the cumulative theoretical. Okay. From our discussion for this time, we are text the conclusion. We are success to create the simple coding for the estimate the parameter only using the density function. We don't need the log likelihood function again, because we know that the log likelihood function is a long formula. Sometimes makes the difficult to type in the R programming. But when we use the density function, that is can make easy to type in the R programming. Okay, I hope our discussion for this time will support you to produce the best research, especially the research have the relationship with the probability modeling. I think our discussion enough for today. See you again. Rado Yendra and Rado Institute. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.